It's so gorgeous.
So you're stuck at home, right? And you're making sandwiches, but not the kind of sandwiches you really want to have. Well, I've got a grilled ham and cheese that's worthy of that bougie hipster cafe that you're missing so much. And I'm gonna show you how it's made and how I style it at home. You can't have a grilled ham and cheese without your bread and your butter. In addition, we've got shredded Gruyère, crumbled goat cheese, our deli sliced ham, caramelized onions, it's your secret weapon right there, Dijon mustard, and some spinach because we're adults and we need to be healthy, right? And a cast iron skillet. But no worries, if you don't have a cast iron skillet, just use a nonstick pan. I only have 2 people in my household, so I'm only making 2 sandwiches, but this recipe makes enough sandwiches for 4 people. So I have 4 slices of sourdough bread. Use whatever kind of bread you have. Use whatever kind of bread you want. But sourdough's great. Adds a really great crispy, golden crust when you cook it in the skillet. The first thing I'm gonna use is my Gruyère cheese. I shredded my Gruyère cheese. I think it gets a really nice melty texture. So on one of your slices of bread, you're gonna put your Gruyère cheese. So on top of the Gruyère cheese, I'm now gonna put our ham slices. And if you like to lay your ham flat, go ahead and do that. I like to fold mine to give it a little bit of extra texture. These are gonna be big sandwiches, I just have to say. I don't think I can make a small sandwich. These bread slices are pretty big, so I've got about 4 slices of ham on each sandwich. So on our other 2 slices of bread, we're gonna add our Dijon mustard. Dijon mustard is zippy and tangy and delicious, and it's totally like an adult bougie thing to use. But it's also just really great on a grilled ham and cheese sandwich. On top of the Dijon mustard, we're now gonna add the caramelized onions and goat cheese. So these are caramelized onions that I made. I did them the day before because they do take a little bit of time, and I wanted them to cool down completely and that whole thing. But if you don't want to make your own caramelized onions, don't worry about it. There's a lot of places that you can get like a savory jam or marmalade, like an onion jam or a garlic jam or a bacon jam. Go crazy. And it would be just as delicious. And yes, I'm using my tweezers. Don't judge. And now we're gonna add our goat cheese. I love goat cheese. If you don't like goat cheese, that's okay. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like, but you know, for a bougie grown-up grilled ham and cheese, I thought that having a little goat cheese would be extra special and fancy. So for our last thing, and this is totally optional, but we are all grown-ups and we need some vegetables in our life. So I have spinach in my refrigerator, but you can definitely use arugula. I think that would be delicious on this sandwich, but I don't have any. So spinach, arugula, some sort of like leafy green that's gonna hold up well being cooked, and just put it right on top of the goat cheese. From there, we're gonna combine these sandwiches together carefully, make one giant sandwich, and get ready to cook it in the skillet. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just over here buttering some bread, one-handed, while holding a phone. Bread is buttered, just the top side. And now we're gonna put it in our cast iron skillet. Butter side of the sandwich, that's the part that goes down first. Oh yeah, man. We're looking for crispy, golden bread. Not catching my hair on fire, for sure. And melty cheese. And now you're gonna butter your top piece of bread. This is considered multitasking, right? It's time to flip. You ready?
It's so gorgeous.
I think she's ready to pick up now. When your grilled cheese or your grilled ham and cheese is done, because it's hot, you don't want to just put it on a surface like a baking sheet or a cutting board. If you put it on a wire rack, the condensation will not make the bread soggy. It will have the chance to cool. Here they are, and don't they look absolutely amazing? It's a good looking sandwich there, kids. All right, so then we have our little photo set back here. I have a background, I have a surface, I have a bougie sparkling water beverage. I have my cutting board and my spatula over here. There's my dog. This is kind of the moment of truth. So we've got our goat cheese down here at the bottom, spinach, caramelized onions, ham, and then there's the Gruyère right there. I'm gonna show you my final beauty before I take my picture. So pretty, so delicious, so bougie. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching me make my bougie grilled ham and cheese. I hope you guys like this recipe. It's delicious, I already know. Oh my God. Make this. Please make sure you're following and subscribed to Food Sauce Versus on YouTube. And while you're at it, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Rishon Marie, and also follow my recipes on Instagram. Y'all be safe and stay well. Is it good?
So good.